This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for April 9th. This is just a reminder that interest-free loans are now available, providing small businesses and not-for-profits with loans of up to $40,000 to help cover your costs. The Canada Emergency Business Account Program is for businesses with a total payroll between $50,000 to $1 million in 2019. Repayment of the loan on or before December 31st, 2022 will result in loan forgiveness of 25%. Applications are available now through your primary financial institution. The Government of Alberta is temporarily modifying some regulations for truck drivers and railway operators to protect the supply chain and ensure Canadians can access necessities like medical supplies, groceries, and fuel during the COVID-19 crisis. Regulation changes will temporarily allow commercial truck drivers transporting essential supplies to work for longer periods of time, provided all safety conditions are met. Apply for fewer municipal and provincial overweight permits by increasing the limits on weight of loads some vehicles can carry. To be exempt from road bans and exempt from municipal bylaws that restrict the hours they operate and park. These temporary adjustments are being offered as part of the pandemic response efforts, provided all safety conditions are being met. The Alberta government has launched an online resource to help strengthen the food supply chain and fill agriculture and agri-food jobs. Keeping Alberta's food supply chain safe and intact is a priority. The new Agriculture Jobs Connector website is a tool for Albertans to find essential agriculture work opportunities and for essential agriculture businesses to find workers. Agriculture and food employers and workers can access hiring, job search, and farm safety resources through the new Agriculture Job Connector at alberta.ca/AgJobConnector. Agriculture employers are encouraged to post available jobs on the Connector website as well. Today, the Government of Canada released national-level modelling on the COVID-19 epidemic in Canada. While we know models can't predict what will happen, they do help us understand what might happen to ensure we can plan for worst cases and drive public health action to achieve the best possible outcome. The modelling will also support decisions on public health measures while helping the healthcare sector plan for the number of expected COVID-19 patients. In response to COVID-19, the Alberta government is also going to be allocating almost $2 billion from the 2020 capital plan to resurface roads, repair bridges, restore schools, and fill potholes. The government is doubling the capital maintenance and renewal funding in 2020-2021 from $937 million to $1.9 billion by accelerating the capital plan. Business Link has always been a phenomenal resource, and they're helping small businesses learn about and connect to available COVID-19 supports based on their unique business needs. Business Link can provide one-on-one guidance to Albertans who operate a small business or are pursuing an entrepreneurial venture. Small businesses can access a list of available supports on Business Link's website or connect with a business strategist by phone, email, or live chat. Business Link is also offering free programming through June, including webinars on a variety of topics, online events, and free expert sessions with lawyers, accountants, marketing specialists, e-commerce specialists, and more. The Alberta Chambers of Commerce is collaborating with Economic Developers of Alberta and Community Futures to collect insights and inform government responses to help business through COVID-19 and our low oil prices. Your feedback will help policymakers understand the most pressing impacts your business is experiencing and what measures they can enact to provide the greatest relief. We'll be reaching out to you every 2 weeks with these short business pulse check surveys to ensure the government remains informed about evolving needs of business. The survey will take less than 10 minutes to complete, and it will close on April 26th. This is also a good time to remind you that there's also a national survey put out by the Canadian Chamber of Commerce and Statistics Canada in order to inform the national agenda. The survey was going to close tomorrow on April 10th, but they have extended that for 1 more week, so it will be open until next Friday, April 17th. In addition, we're collecting data on a global scale. The International Chamber of Commerce and the World Health Organization have launched a survey for the private sector that's intended to gather more information about global issues, responses, and to develop solutions that will address the spread of the pandemic. So we have a provincial, national, and international survey that we encourage you to take. We're not going to be promoting a lot of surveys, but we do want to promote the ones that will help inform government decisions and help us get you the support that you need. The Canadian Chamber is also sounding the alarm in terms of the need for time and delivery of those wage subsidies. There was the job count numbers today, and we know countless more jobs will be lost if we can't urgently get employers the wage supports they need, so we are advocating on your behalf. In addition, the Canadian Chamber presented to the House Finance Committee, and we're advocating on behalf of our members and all Canadian businesses to navigate the COVID-19 crisis. We spoke about the impact of COVID-19 on SMEs and the government's response, as well as the need to get help to businesses more quickly. We also spoke about the transition through the recovery period and the need for solutions by small business for small business and by communities for communities. These solutions will need to be driven by local and real-time data, including labor market information. We just want to remind you that there are supports available through the weekend, and the Alberta Connects Contact Centre will continue to operate this weekend and will be available to Albertans from 8:15 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. April 10th to 13th. Albertans can call 310-4455 for assistance. There is also a 24-hour family violence information line available at 310-1818 to get anonymous help, and Alberta's one line for sexual violence, which is available at 1-866-402-8000 from 9 to 9. We're encouraging everybody to stay home this weekend, in your communities, in our province, and off the highways to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Alberta and British Columbia have released a joint statement asking families and friends to stay in their home provinces and celebrate the holidays virtually. This will reduce the risk of highway crashes, tying up emergency and medical responders who are busy with pandemic planning and care, and it will help slow the spread of the novel coronavirus between families and provinces. While we recognize your holiday activities will look a little different this year, we hope you and your family will enjoy your celebrations and enjoy the long weekend. Take care, and we'll talk to you again next week.